I'm Sergio Plaza, and I'm an Executive Vice President with a focus on business operations, strategy, and development. Well, we're here in McGregor, Texas, as part of our continued construction of our new manufacturing facility. We like to give our clients an update on what's going on here because there's so much invested in what we're doing here, even for their success. We see teams from all over the world, quite frankly, coming together to be part of the installation as we look at the placement as we planned it and the adjustments that are needed as we see how it all actually shakes out and what we intend to do with that.
I'm Alex Anderson. I'm with Allied Steel Buildings. When I look at this project from the perspective of what we are achieving, it's not something that you're going to see anywhere else. You see top-notch machinery and equipment, top technology being assembled and put together, being tested. People, when they're coming over and visiting there, they are the ones that are letting us know what we're doing, because to us it's just every day that we see them, so we don't realize anymore the relevance of what we're doing and the step up that we are creating for McGregor, for the U.S., for the industry on the metal building by having a facility like this. So I think we all feel at the end proud and honored to be part of this.
I'm Scott Pearson. I'm the president and CEO of Pearson Construction here in the Waco area. So what we have been asked to do is to perform the construction management responsibilities of this project on site. So we are extremely excited to be a part of this project. When we were talking with Allied initially and were selected to be part of the management team, we knew that it was going to be great for the Central Texas area. We have been in business in this area for over 50 years. So when a company of this size and scope brings their professionalism to Waco and McGregor and Central Texas, we knew that it was a great thing. We are forming a relationship that will last into the future and hopefully bring even more jobs and more work for our community.
It's so gratifying to see something like this happen. It's exciting for us, for our entire team. This is for us a historical moment as we continue to take advantage of opportunities to be able to do things like this and invite partners into this. So we're excited about what we're going to see in the next coming weeks, and certainly when we finally open the doors for full production. And we hope that you'll be part of joining us when that happens.